This video is for you if you have a vtx1800 and you have issues like the idle is not sitting well, like one cylinder keeps going out, you're getting backfiring. When you hit the throttle, it stumbles, hesitates, maybe surges a bit. As the RPMs get higher, it seems like the whole system kicks in a little bit better, but it's not fun. And I was chasing this problem all around. I was looking at the grounds. I was like electrical. I was looking at a whole bunch of things, and I tried everything. One of the things that I did is I actually bought a fuel pressure regulator because they're small, they're cheap, easy to. I bought one, and I never put it in because like these things take work. And the reason I didn't put it in is a big mistake. And I found out, especially if your bike is, old, then these things can go bad, obviously. So the reason I didn't put it in is because everywhere on the internet they say that the way you test to see if your FPR has gone bad is if you open the vacuum line, you just take the vacuum line off it, and if it's leaking, if there's fuel in there, then you know that the fuel pressure regulator is crap because fuel is leaking through. It's not holding enough pressure on the rail, or too much pressure on the rail, and you got to discard it and put it in. Well, I didn't bother doing that. I was chasing maybe it's all these other issues, so I didn't even bother doing that until fucking took forever to finally realize that. And what I found out, and by the way, when I put the new FPR in, brand new bike. So what I found out is, and the reason I'm making this video is because the online everyone seems to, that's the only test, so to speak. And I had to really dig and find out that there are multiple ways that an FPR can fail that don't involve a fuel leak. And I'm not going to bother getting into it, doesn't matter. My point is, if you're having these symptoms, obviously that can be a million things, but if you're having those symptoms and you're wondering if it might be the FPR and you pull out the vacuum line and it's dry, don't just be like, well, it can't be that, because it absolutely still can. So I hope that helps someone.